This is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards becoming a full-time bookkeeper and also the knowledge that I have gained along the way. Today, I am going to show you how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online and also how to apply an invoice to that estimate. It's going to be short, quick, and easy. And if you don't, I will also explain to you as well what is an estimate so that you understand the reason why you will create estimates for customers in your business. But before we go on, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so for estimate, so I'm going to go the first way that we go to create estimate in QuickBooks Online. You go to this big new button here and you select estimate. Okay, so as we know, this is our favorite, that is our favorite button. I don't know why that is popping up here, but anyway. So for estimates, in the estimate, you will come in here, you will put in the customer's information to type in the customer name here. As you can see, it has different statuses for the estimate, so you can always go back into the estimate and change the status. But once you create an invoice for the estimate, it will automatically select close for that estimate. But you will be able to see that later on in the video. So let me explain to you now what is an estimate. An estimate is when you have a customer that they want to buy something from you, but they want to know the price for it before they buy it. So these are customers now that will purchase stuff from you on credit. And so therefore, this is how it works. They call you up or they send you an email, however they contact you. They say, could I have an estimate for 20 bags of soil? And you said to them, well, 20 bags of soil, it's $10 a bag. So you tell them the price for the soil. And then they said, well, could you send us an estimate? Because when you send them an estimate now, when you send them the estimate, they actually have in writing how much these bags of soil will cost. Okay? And you can see here they have expiration date. So you give them this expiration date, saying that if it's past that date, so you can probably put a note here, if it passed the expiration date, that the price could be changed or whatever it is that you would like to put down here. When you send them the estimate, then you say, yes, I want to go ahead, but instead of 20 bags of soil, I want 15 bags. That's fine, because obviously nothing came out of your inventory or anything like that. You were just telling them how much it costs, because that's what an estimate is. An estimate is basically telling the customer how much something will cost if they purchase it. So when they actually decide now that they want to go ahead with the order, they have to send you back now a purchase order. When they send you back a purchase order is when now you create an invoice for that and send that customer the invoice along with the products, obviously. So an estimate is basically when you're telling a customer what's the price of a product, or what's the price of what their total cost would be for buying a set of products. Okay, so that's what an estimate is. Close out of that. The next way that you can go and create an estimate is going to this sales button. I clicked on it. I can click on all sales, new, and I could come in here and click on estimate, and it will also give me that estimate as well, but give me that blank estimate. And right, so it will give me that blank estimate, come out of that, or I can go into customers, type in the customer's name, and click on him, and I can go in here, click on new transaction, that drop down arrow, and click on estimate. The difference with this one is that it will populate Freeman Sporting Goods information, so I don't have to type in his name here. And so we're going to make it to the 30th. And he wants to know about soil. He wants about 20 bags of soil. And we come down here now and we click save and close. If you're actually sending this to the customer, you can, once you have their email address, you can actually press save and send, and it will send it to their email directly. So then you don't have to hand it to them. It will go straight to their email. If you want to create a new estimate for a different customer, you just click save and new, and it will open up a blank form for us. It will open up a blank estimate form. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to save and close. Okay, so then now you sent that estimate to them. He sent back that purchase order stating this is how much he wants. He actually wants to purchase 18 bags of salt instead of 20. He changed his mind. He sent back that purchase order, and now with the purchase order that he sent back, what's going to happen now is that click create invoice. You come in here, you update the information, and then so I can just show you how the status changes. Save and close. And then when I save and close that, because he actually purchased it, you will see that the estimate now that was for $200 has been closed. Okay, so that is it. So that's it for this video today. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and may you have a brilliant day. Bye.